So today, I'm gonna be loading up the IS300. I'm gonna take it down to my boy's shop. We're gonna try to sort some things out. I need to stop saying so much. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know I bought an IS300 shell a while ago, and then back in January, I ended up picking up another shell that was an original 5-speed motor, transmission, blah, 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 whatever. So I swapped it all over to my auto shell, and now I'm just trying to get some things sorted out. So that's what I'm doing today. These right here, these Ghost energy drinks, wonderful. What is up, you guys? So when we left off, I was over at the shop. I have been changing the coils. The IS has a misfire. I switched out all the coils and it started running better. Got some fresh fuel in it. But I'm gonna try to mess around with the coils and see if I can get a better result before I just buy new coils. And Bikini Girl is gonna be the one changing the coils because she drives the cars. After I mess with the coils, we're gonna raise the car up and adjust the suspension because this is sitting really high. And then I'm gonna throw my Meisters on here just for the hell of it, just to see what it looks like. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, for the sake of this video, I'm going to put everything in fast speed, but I'm going to explain what I am doing really quickly to her and to all of you. So to get to the coils, we have to take off the cover. You need to remove the intake from the throttle body. There is 2 bolts up here. one bolt inside here. Disconnect this connection. We gotta disconnect this hose in here. There's another hose back here. We have to disconnect the throttle cable and disconnect the throttle cable connection. And then we'll have access to the, it is hot, to the coils. Alright, so now that we got all the throttle body off and the spacer and everything, we have access to the coils, which are here. There's 3 of them. I've only planned to change 2, but that's what we're about to do. So for the sake of saving time, I threw all this back together. I only changed the first coil. It seems to be running a lot better at idle and blipping the throttle. It's not misfiring. I do need to drive it to see if it's going to misfire under load. But for now, I'm going to get up in the air, make adjustments to the suspension, and then I'm going to throw my work Meisters on there. Y'all, hear me out. So this is what I'm running on the RX7 in the front. And that's the rear. Crazy. Alright, so this is what we basically got going on. I readjusted the preload on the coil because it was fucked up. I think it was anyways, I don't know. I readjusted it and I lowered it a little bit. So that ain't gonna work, obviously. I mean, we already knew it wasn't gonna work when I already said it before, but I haven't lowered the rear yet. So I mean, essentially I could run these if the car wasn't as low as it is now. But yeah, so I'm not gonna be putting these wheels on. They do look sick on the car. They're way too wide. So it's not gonna work.